Hey, maybe you can help solve this mystery.
I picked this lathe up several months ago at an auction. And as you can see from the tag, it says Willits Manufacturing Company, makers, Providence, Rhode Island. But if you search for Willits Manufacturing Company, you'll only find Willits in Trenton, New Jersey. Now, after some deep digging, I did find one reference to Willits in Providence, Rhode Island, and that was in the American Machinist. In 1886, it referenced a Willits Manufacturing Company there that was tack and wire nail machinery. Now, in Trenton, New Jersey, that is the famous earthenware or pottery Belique that was made in that area from 1879 to like 1912, I believe. So somewhat of a mystery, because if you look at the way this lathe looks, it looks like it's got paint all over it. And to boot, it looks like gold paint, which is paint that would be used to trim, say, pottery. The original color of the lathe appears to be the blue, which to me is also unusual because most of the equipment that I've seen from this time period is japanned or black lacquered. Now, to add another layer to it, I found a picture of an F.E. Reed lathe from the same time period, around 1880s, that had a very similar look to this lathe. Now, did that mean that Willits had Reed make this lathe for them and just badge it as though they had made it? Or did Willits knock off Reed's casting and make their own? Or was it that Reed made it and Willits had them put their name on the lathe because it was company property and they wanted to make sure that it was tagged as such? Now, the auction that I bought this at, there was some other equipment that was of historical significance, but this lathe they had no information on. So if you know anything about Willits lathes or Reed lathes, or if you just know anything about it at all, reach out, comment, let everybody know. Thanks for watching.